I was doing some research, and it said that the best way to deal with a toxic coworker is to address any issue immediately. Like if they're rude to you, you address it immediately, not in a confrontational manner, but you say, were you speaking to me? What do you mean by that? You know, something to that effect. And if it's something because they might not even think they are doing something that is wrong. So once they do something, you just address it immediately, because if you don't, they might do it again and again and again, and you might be there just taking it all in and getting upset about it. And sometimes it could be just not anything. You might read more into it than it is. It could be just a person's personality too. So you have to address it immediately.